In this video, I would like to show you how to make easy money on Whop in 2025. So there is two ways how to make money on Whop. You can be a creator or you can make a clip for other people. But today we're gonna be focused on how to be a creator. First of those, you must to choose a topic which you're gonna create, some skill, then you must to learn about your skill. I would like to help you. I will recommend you go for the editing because many people would like to have editor, and about the editing there is all of those sources on the YouTube. It's so simple. So the step first, learn all of these sources and knowledge on YouTube. Then try to edit in the CapCut because now it's the most easy editor application. And then what you can do, put your own knowledge on Whop and make easy money. And I would like to show you how much money you can make. These people, they earned in the last 24 hours these amounts. And I would like to show you how much money these people make in the last 24 hours. They are starting on 15,000, then it's raised to $25,000, then the second is 30,000, and the first one, he made $300,000. So I would like to show you how to create your page on Whop and make easy money. If you're gonna be focused on editing, let's be called edit master. This one doesn't matter a lot. It's gonna be your name, so you should choose your name. Alright, so we create halfway or Whop, but alright. So we will go to section your Whop, then you'll go to section earn. There is it, manage pricing. Create pricing option. Then you will stay with the paid section, switch to subscription. Then average on Whop is like $60. So we would like to have 40 to 70, and I can recommend to stay with the 45 because there's a good amount of the money. People can afford that and you will earn a lot of money. Stay with a 1 month because 7 days is not a lot of days and 3 months is a lot. And then what I would like to recommend you, offer discount before user cancels and stay with it from 10 to 25%. So it's up to you, but honestly I will stay with the 20%. And then also you can allow the PayPal and visible on store page. Alright, and then you must also finish all of these setups, but this is the main what you must do. Alright, so it's so simple. First what you're gonna do, you'll learn your skill, you will choose where you would like to edit, and then put your own knowledge to Whop and make easy money. So hit the subscribe, like, and see you in the next video.